Okay. You gonna sing?
You sing it. You want
Can you sing the Elmo song while you play the guitar?
What is this like a thing? What's this work?
You know you're not supposed to touch those tuning pegs.
This work?
Don't touch the tuning pegs.
What does this work?
It changes the strings and how they sound.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not supposed to touch them.
What does it work at this? Did you turn it? You turn it?
You play it.
Oh.
Hold the guitar and play the Elmo song. Can you say thank you very much? Say it loud.
Thank you very much.
Say I'll be here all week.
What is this costume like? Oh!